Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to download Blender for Windows 10 on a PC or laptop. And if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, we need to open up a new internet browser. And then we want to come across to the Blender website, which is blender.org. Make sure you do download it from the official website. So once we come to the website, what we need to do is come to if you look at the top, you've got some options and you just need to click on to download. That's going to take you to the download page. So you can see currently this is set to a Windows installer because I'm on a Windows laptop, but there is other versions available. So to do that, all you need to do is click this drop down box down here, and you can see there's different options. So you've got, like, for example, Mac OS, you've got Linux, you've got Steam as well, and you can download the installer or you can download like the zip files, but obviously the installer is the best choice. And once that's done, just go ahead and give that a click, and you'll see that's going to start downloading there in the bottom left hand corner. And once that's downloaded, all you need to do is click onto that to run the setup wizard, the install wizard, and just go through and install. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.